Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode we are going to what am I doing? Paint. What does that sound? Do you hear that? It's bug. Okay, so this is gonna be vlog style, and I'm going to refurbish a piece of furniture. So I'm going to show you the furniture and we're going to get started. This should be probably about a 7-minute video, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, so the paint that I'm using is by Bear.
There you go.
All right, cool. And so I'm mixing it up. It's been sitting for a minute. All right. So I probably use 2 of these. If you guys will come with me, I'll show you. I will show you the furniture. Come on. Okay, so this is the furniture right here. Like literally the entire piece. This is the piece that I'll be painting. That cicada is loud. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
It's loud. People, you'll hear people in the background laughing because there's the pool. Anyway, so this is the piece of furniture and this is the before. Let's start. Okay? Alright. You know what I didn't do? I didn't wipe it off. So first things first. We're gonna wipe it off. Like that. Get all the dust off. Usually, and if you want to, you can sand this to get, you know, the color off. I'm not gonna do that. You don't have to do it like this. So I take a 3-inch paintbrush, dip it in the vein or whatever. Okay, so I've run out of room, so I'm not sure to get down on the ground. Don't mind me. Hey, whoa. Back up just a little bit. Zoom out. I don't know. I'm just tired.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Alright, so we are working on the bottom of the leg.
Any way I can, I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
This is 1 coat. 1. You know what? I think I may invest in one of them spray paint things. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Where you can just spray paint the entire thing and be done with it. But this is 1 coat, so we're gonna let this dry. I think it's so cute. And there's a glass piece that fits inside, so I think that's gonna be really pretty. And it's gonna sit beside my couch. This should take about an hour to like dry. Did I get it on? Nope. Girl, you could have said some. We'll be done tonight, like literally done tonight. I'm not gonna wait till tomorrow. We'll see the finished product. Yay! Okay, bye.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else.
Start on the second coat. And yeah, we're gonna get it done.
You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed, I'm digging you, you make me believe, your love is more than a million, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's not about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away, just sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
It's hot out here. Oh, the Lord sent a breeze.
Amen.
Did you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting done with the second coat. It looks really good down below. And then I kind of like the rustic look, so I don't think I'll do a third coat.
Yeah.
So second coat is it. If you ever are looking for like some really good paint, Bear is really good. This is the second coat. This is what it looks like. And once it fully dries, I'll put the glass back in the center. And this is it. This is the refurbished piece. I really like it. I think it turned out really well. These are painter's hands. You see that? His hands do stuff. Alright, and so this is it. I really like it. And we're going to let it fully dry. I'm super proud and excited about this. Coco, hush. And I'm tired now. So, I'm signing off. Love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Peace.